Hello friends, welcome to Electrical Design Engineering YouTube channel. This is our lecture number 56 of our free course ETAP. In the previous lecture, that is lecture number 55, we have found the critical fault clearing time, and we also studied the motor reacceleration when the fault clearing time was 0.1 seconds. Now in this lecture, we will study one more phenomena, one more way of motor reacceleration, that when the fault occurs, after that we can disconnect the motors first of all from the supply. Then we can, when the fault is cleared, then we can sequentially reaccelerate the motors. We can reaccelerate the first motor, then after some time we can reaccelerate the motor second, and we will consider the fault clearing time 0.5 seconds. In lecture number 54, I have shown you that at 0.5 seconds of fault clearing time, the motors does not reaccelerate. But now we will see, if we take the motor sequentially, if we start the motors by, we will start the first motor, then after some time we will start the second motor. Then we will see what happens, whether our motors get reaccelerated or not. So for that, what we can do, we are presently in the transfer stability mode, and we will go to the steady case. And in the events, I have made these events, that the first event was the fault occur at 1 second. This was in the lecture number 54, I discussed this thing. After that, when the fault occurs, we will open the circuit breakers. That is, after 0.1 seconds we will open the circuit breakers, and after 0.15 seconds fault is cleared. That is, after 0.5 seconds, that is, fault is now cleared. And then we will see, we will close the after 0.1 second, 1.6 seconds, that is 0.56 seconds, that is after clearing the fault, that is 0.1 second, we will close the circuit breaker 7. That is, circuit breaker 7 is this one circuit breaker. And after that, after 0.1 more second, that after 0.1 seconds, we will close this circuit breaker again, this one circuit breaker. So we can sequentially uh, reaccelerate the motors. We can accelerate the motors sequentially. We cannot simultaneously, we cannot put simultaneously all the motors to reaccelerate. We can put sequentially. So we can see, after that we can see what will happen. So I will close this dialog box, and I will run the transfer stability, and then I will run the transfer stability plots, and then go to the buses and select the voltage. We will select the bus 7 first and plot. You can see the motor has accelerated. Now we can select the bus 2, bus 8 also, and click plot. Now you can see both buses are now reaccelerated. That means our both motors are reaccelerated. Our bus voltage has back to 100%, and that is the voltage before the fault. So our motors are reaccelerated. This is the another way in industries. We are, when fault occurs, we are then sequentially reaccelerating the motors, so that motors get reaccelerated successfully. Thank you.